Hi, I'm going to take you through our Ioline 300 and show you how it works. And it is for sale. And this is a very old computer monitor that we've always had with it, and it's always worked. If you had a different hard lock key, and you can get one through stalls, then you can put it on a laptop. But I'm just going to select a small cutter file to cut. And you can see this, it says Rockbridge football. And this is just regular applique fabric with a heat seal background on it. Backing, I mean. I'm going to get that stuck down pretty well. This is a fairly new sticky mat, but it's not super sticky anymore. And I'm going to set the origin so it knows where to start. And over here, I'm going to send it to the cutter. And it's going to cut. The idea is it's going to cut on the fabric and it's all going to stay stuck to the board. And then we're going to peel away what we want or what we don't want. And then it's ready to put applique. I'll show you also how the software allows you to make applique stitching files too, so that you don't have to digitize anything for your embroidery machine. It's up right through our software. Oops, that one wasn't stuck very well. Brought a little piece of lint on the sticky mat. And that's it. And you can move the tray. You can see where it pulled up. It's not going to be perfect cut because it got loose on me. So I apologize for that. But the rest of it is cut really well, even the small letters. And then with a picker we can pick the centers out of there. So that's how the cutter works. And then if we wanted to make it into stitches, we just do that. And there are a lot of things that you may or may not want, but those are the three I generally do. Push OK. And it's generating the stitch file, and you can see it right there. I'm trying to make it bigger so you can see. It's given us a lay down stitch and the edges to applique. This is a small file, so it looks kind of junky, but then all we would do is save it, and we're ready to go put that DST file on our machine. Thanks for watching.